Today I'm going to show you how to use sweet Oreo cookies and wrap them in crispy pork bacon. That's not it. We're going to smoke them with a little barbecue rub and barbecue sauce on the pellet grill in under an hour. It's a perfect recipe for a barbecue party, and I'm going to show you how to make this with only 4 ingredients. Unusual, sure, yet surprisingly delicious. Wait till the end till you see how they turn out. Preheat the Traeger to 250 degrees Fahrenheit and place 1 Oreo cookie in the middle of a half slice of bacon. Overlap the seams and turn them down so the Oreo is wrapped with bacon and the seam side is facing down. Sprinkle each bacon-wrapped Oreo with a little bit of barbecue rub and smoke the bacon-wrapped Oreos directly on the grill grates for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, brush with the little barbecue sauce onto the top and continue smoking for about another 20 to 30 minutes or until the bacon is crisp to your liking. Remove from grill and enjoy them warm. Don't forget to pick up a copy of my free barbecue ebook to grill even better this summer, and like and follow for more yummy recipe ideas. Cheers!